Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Fearless review. We're going to be taking a close look at Fearless. Also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best outcome with Fearless. Fearless launches on the 18th of December by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So Fearless gives you access to a cloud-based software that actually allows you to make money in a number of ways, which I'm going to talk about in this review. This is a cloud-based software that gives you options to create content in a number of ways. Now, we've talked about creating videos without showing your face. How about even creating content without even using your voice? So probably English is not your first language. Probably you just don't want to use your voice. You can just simply go to Google, go to any website, go and copy text from any website, come to this cloud-based software, come and paste your text here, and then you can actually convert your text to speech. For example, I just went to copy content from a website, and then I just pasted it here, and then I can actually choose the voice that I want to use to convert that text to speech. So Fearless allows you to do that. You can actually convert this to speech in UK, speech in US. You can even use different languages. There's a ton of languages you can actually select from right inside of the Fearless software. And then you can actually select the type of engine you want, either the standard or the AI voice. And then you can go ahead and select the volume. You can go ahead and select the volume you want, the speaking rate, if you want it to be slow, extra slow, fast, medium, and all that. And then you can actually synthesize this to file, and then you are going to be able to listen to this. You are going to be able to listen to this, and then you can actually download, and then you can actually use in any project you want to use. And here, if you go to upload sounds, you find out that they're actually telling you about different platforms that allow you to make money with these sounds, with this speech. Now, you also get access to done for you sounds. Now, this done for you, you basically don't need anything. You can just go ahead. You can listen to them, you can play them, you can listen to them, and then you can download them and actually go and use them anywhere or in any project you are currently creating. So there's a ton of ways you can actually profit with this, and of course one of them is Fiverr. If you go on Fiverr now, you're going to find people offering services like this, text to speech, and also different types of done for you sounds you can actually download and use in any project. Now, what do you think about this? Now, this allows you to actually profit without you having to put in a ton of work. For example, when you are talking about affiliate marketing, you can easily create different types of content, including videos that allow you to profit without you having to, first of all, without you having to show your face on camera, and even without you having to record your own speech. Now, which is pretty cool. You can actually upload your own review videos without you having to speak a single word, and also without you having to show your face on camera. So there are a number of ways we are going to be talking about as I review my bonuses also to you. So bonus number one, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic using other people's video. Now, with this, you don't even have to create content at all. No sound, no videos. All you need to do is search for videos, already viral videos in any niche, which you can actually place your affiliate links on top of these videos. They can be in affiliate marketing, they can be in make money online, they can be in health and fitness. You can go and search for these videos and place your links on these videos to drive a ton of traffic and make money with affiliate products, which you can go and get on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, or any other affiliate network. Now, you are going to be able to search. Now you can actually upload images. These images are going to show up on these videos when people play these videos, and when they click on these images, it's going to take them to your affiliate links. You can even add opt-in forms on these videos, and then you can actually build your list while making money with affiliate marketing offers. You can add call to actions, call to action buttons, and so on. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you access to another cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. You're going to be able to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. And what I love so much about this is you can actually put this on steroids. You can put this on automation so that it keeps driving traffic for you even while you are busy doing other things, or even when you are sleeping. You get access to page builder that makes the whole process easy for you also. Also, bonus number 3, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Fiverr. You're going to be getting access to this training here, where you're going to find out the easiest way to make money on Fiverr. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software. This software gives you done-for-you product reviews. Now, you don't need to do any work. Now, in the case of the ClickBank product reviews, all you need to go and do is get your ClickBank affiliate ID, come and add it to your profile here. Now, once you do that, all the done for you ClickBank product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. This comes with free traffic and also comes with free traffic training also. Also, bonus number 5, I'm going to be giving you done for you PowerPoint video templates. Now, with this template, all you need is PowerPoint, no special software. All you need is PowerPoint. You can easily customize this template for any product or for any project, and then you can hit the export button to create your own MP4 videos that you can use on YouTube, you can use on Facebook, you can use on Twitter, you can use on TikTok, or any other video social media platform. Also, bonus number 6, I'm going to be giving you access to a training that shows you how to create WordPress website, how to create your own WordPress website from scratch, how to get cheap domain name, how to get hosting, how to put everything together to work for you. And you can actually turn this into a business that you can offer on marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, where you can actually charge people upwards of $100, to create websites for them. And of course, you can create your own affiliate website, or you can even create your own e-commerce website also. Also, bonus number 7, I'm going to be giving you, in addition to the sounds you're going to be getting from Fearrless, I'm going to be giving you 200 mega background music tracks that you can use on your projects. That you are creating YouTube videos, you are creating videos for your own project, or for any project at all. You're going to be getting access to 200 plus mega background music that would give you the best conversion and hold your audience to want to listen to your content. Also, bonus number 8, I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways you can actually make money with videos without having to show your face on camera. I understand so many people want to create videos but don't want to show their face on camera because they are just not so comfortable with that. I'm going to be giving you a number of ways you can actually make money without showing your face on camera with videos, which this is where also the kind of content you are going to be getting from Fearrless would also come in handy for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to actually make money with this without you having to show your faces on camera. Also, bonus number 9, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. So what you need to do now is simply click on any of the red buttons on this page. And if you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of Fearrless, where you're going to be able to pick up Fearrless and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So here it says, yes, we get paid just for uploading ready-made sounds, brand new 57 $1 billion audio file loophole pays us $6.95 per minute for simply uploading ready-made sounds. No skills, no paid ads, no paid accounts, no waiting to get paid. So feel free to come check this out at your own time. Once this goes live, 18th December by 10 a.m. to get more information about Fearrless. So there's a ton of information on this sales page, which you're going to get access to once you click any of the red buttons on this bonus page. So that's how easy it is to create content with Fearrless without you having to use your own voice or show your face on camera or any of those time consuming stuff. Now let's talk about the pricing for Fearrless. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $8.88, which is unheard of for this kind of software. It's pretty low for this software. I hope they keep it at this price, and I hope the price doesn't keep going up during the period of the launch. But whichever way, if you come in as early as possible, as soon as it's 10 a.m. 18th December, it means you're going to be able to pick up Fearrless for the lowest price possible. I hope they keep the price this low. Now there's some optional upgrades like the unlimited version that goes for $39, allows you to build unlimited stores, run unlimited video and traffic campaigns. You have the done for you edition that goes for $39. You have the case studies that goes for $47. You have the 10x multiplier that allows you to scale your business tenfold. This goes for $197. There's the 6-figure training that goes for $47. You have the agency and reseller edition that allows you to sell the products and keep 100% commissions. You have the chatbot, you have the Insta Drive. These are all optional upgrades. So that's going to be my review of Fearrless. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.